Hello, my name is Ansh Gupta and I am a high school junior. Today, I'm here to present Project Refluent, an app which is designed for people with aphasia to help find their words again in their daily lives. So what is aphasia? Here, meet Mike Caputo. Mike Caputo was a former sales director who suffered a stroke 10 years ago, limiting his ability to communicate and use the right side of his body. Today, he's entirely reliant on his wife to communicate and express even his basic needs.
And what did you used to do?
Um, well, worked Autodesk, seven sales, and worldwide, and very good. Yeah.
Aphasia is a language disorder which severely impairs a person's ability to speak, often after brain injury. And Mike is not the only one. There are another 2 million people in America with aphasia, and there are 180,000 cases every single year. Additionally, up to 40% of stroke survivors experience aphasia. Yet, this community remains largely unheard of. You can hear these people's stories in the bottom left corner of the screen. This is why I built Project Refluent. The app uses advanced large language models to predict, complete, and correct users' text, empowering their clarity and confidence. There are two main methods of input, either by text or by voice. Users can simply input their text in the text box and hit rebuild message. In seconds, we get a coherent result that says, "I need my red toothbrush." We can also use the built-in text-to-speech tool to hear this message out loud, like so.
I need my red toothbrush.
The other method of input is through voice. Users can use a built-in microphone in the app to record themselves while they talk. Here's a real example of someone with aphasia.
Worked Autodesk, sales, and worldwide, and very good. Yeah.
We can hit end recording, and in seconds, we get a coherent result. It says, "I used to work on a desk in sales worldwide. I was very good," correctly transcribing and rebuilding the message. Project Refluent is powered by Google Flan T5 model, which I fine-tuned and trained on thousands of real aphasic text data samples. It was built using Python Hugging Face transformers, React for the front end, and Python Flask for the back end. The model is also open sourced on Hugging Face. I am now working with speech pathologists at Spark Health to help gather real user feedback before launch. Project Refluent has taught me how to leverage AI ethically, to solve real-world problems and turn my passion into a purpose. It also builds on my broader mission through my nonprofit, which I started 6 years ago with my younger sister, called Together With Us, where innovation and compassion create change. I envision Project Refluent to be cost-free and available for everyone with aphasia, helping them reconnect with their loved ones and rebuild their confidence. Thank you.